Hello, honey gang. Welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in hearing about my 2-year lock update and watching me get ready, honey, and seeing my whole outfit, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, y'all, we're gonna jump right into this, and it wouldn't be me if I didn't have to put some Vaseline on my lips. So as you guys know, we are doing a get ready with me, and I am giving you all an update on my 2-year, I guess it's my 2-year lock update. So I'm getting ready. We are about to go to dinner for my sister's Crystal's birthday. She is in town. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm about to use real quick because I gotta get moving. I got like 30 minutes to do everything. So as y'all know, if y'all have been here before and have seen my get ready with me, y'all know I always use Fenty Beauty. This is in 440, the Pro Filter. I never picked this up off the floor. I hadn't used this in a long time, but this is the Make It Last setting spray by Milani. And then I picked up some cheap blush from the Dollar Tree, child. And then, y'all know Dominique A has been talking about these. If you watch her on YouTube, she's been talking about these eyelashes from Dollar Tree. They are bomb. I really like this one. This will be my 3rd time wearing them, so they last really, really good. This is the lash glue that I use. Works really, really well. And then this is the what I use on my brows. It's the perfect color for me, and my lips. And then I'm gonna just use some regular basic mascara. e.l.f. powder brush. This is some other e.l.f. blush I use. And yeah, we're gonna get started. So 2 years, y'all. 2-year lock update. I can't even believe it. Okay, I did forget to show y'all what I'm putting on my lips. I got this from Walmart on clearance. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Composer 112. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this in the middle. This is the 330 Innovator. So yes, y'all, let's jump right into it. I've already prepped my face and everything. I just got out of the shower. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. But you guys, this 2 years went by so fast, like so fast. I'm probably gonna include pictures throughout the video, just so y'all can see my progress. If you guys have never seen my lock journey videos before, I felt like it was only right for me to make this video because I pretty much have documented my entire lock journey, and then I kind of stopped because it was getting repetitive and it was the same thing. I wasn't, using different products or doing anything different with my hair. I don't really style my hair. I pretty much just wear it down for the most part. I was wearing it in a side part, but then it started like making me break out on my forehead. So I went back to a middle part. So yeah, we're doing that for a while. But yeah, it's been amazing. If you are considering getting locks, go ahead and do it. You're gonna wish you had done it sooner. It definitely is a process, and you have to just trust the process, basically. I know it's easier said than done, but that's just what you're gonna have to do. It's just trust the process and leave your locks alone and let them do what they do. It's a natural process. So you have to go through all the stages, the budding, the frizziness, the shrinkage, it takes forever for your locks to finally lock to all the way to the end. Mine finally have, for the most part. I still might have some like where it's like big on the bottom like this, where it's like still, you know, forming like a solid lock. But for the most part, my locks are pretty much locked. They have grown like so much. They've grown so much, and they're so cute, and I love them. It was literally the best decision I could have ever made for myself, because what I found was that I was always getting box braids or twists or crochet and stuff like that. And it's like, I might as well just do this with my natural hair. And so baby, that's what I did. And that was the best decision ever, okay? Best decision ever, and I'm glad I did it. So let's see, pros and cons of locks. Pros, you don't have to do nothing to your hair. You don't wake up and go. You do have to, you know, keep them moisturized and, you know, take care of them. I would suggest sleeping with a bonnet or a silk or satin pillowcase if you can, so that that helps cut down on the frizziness and the friction, so your hair isn't breaking off. Just being free and being able to do whatever. You can go swimming, you don't have to worry about the rain, you don't have to worry about the weather at all, because your hair is in a natural state. So you are free to, you know, now in the starting phase, you want to be careful with that, because some people's hair, depending on your texture, it can unravel, and all that good stuff. So in the beginning stages, be careful with that. I'm talking about now as a fully locked, with my hair, I don't have to worry about as much, but when you are first starting out, you want to make sure you know, taking care of some things. You don't want to get your hair retwisted too much, because you don't want to be doing too much on your hair. You basically, I got my hair retwisted, I got my hair retwisted once a month, and so, that was enough for me, because I would just wait until I had new growth. I wouldn't get my hair retwisted or styled every 2 weeks or every week because I wanted a new look, or because they were starting to look messy or whatever. I would let them do what they do, and when I had enough new growth, I would go get it done, honey, okay? I try hairstyles. I have all these videos, you guys. My playlist of my lock journey is down below. You can see all the hairstyles I did. You can see all the do's and don'ts. You can see all the different oils and all the different products I used on my hair. Honey, everything is literally in that playlist. So I don't want to be repetitive going over that stuff again in this video, because it's all right there for you. So I did my eyebrows, I put on my foundation, now I'm putting on my glue, which is like eyeliner for my lashes. And I already put the glue on my lashes so it can kind of start to dry, because that is the trick with lashes, is that you want the glue to dry a little bit. But yes, y'all, I just love my locks. I wouldn't change it for the world. I have seen a lot of people here recently like cutting off their locks. Some plan to get their locks back, some don't. Some people say that hair carries memories, and so I understand, you know, people wanting to cut their locks to, you know, start new, start fresh. So I don't ever see myself cutting my locks, but you just never know what the future holds. You never know. So, like Britney Snow, if y'all watch her with the green locks, I found her because of her locks, but I just love her fitness journey and everything like that. And she cut her locks, and oh my gosh, I was so sad. But you know, everybody gotta do what they gotta do for themselves, and you know, I don't blame her. She's been through a lot, so you know, do what's best for you. I did change my loctician. Nothing bad or anything. My brother's girlfriend Royal is doing locks, and she started testing them out on me, and I just continue to go to her because she does an excellent job. So if you guys want to book the Royal Slay, everything will be linked down below in the description so that you can book with her. She does retwist, she does box braids, twist, she does all kind of stuff, wig installation and all of that. So if y'all want to check her out, definitely do so if you are in the Oklahoma City area. Yes, I actually think she has somebody that comes here from another state to get their hair done, honey. She is popping. So yes, y'all, it's been an awesome journey. Like I said, I really don't document the process anymore because I just feel like at this point it's just about growth. They're really growing. I'm actually due to get my hair done again, retwisted next week before I go out of town. So yeah, it's just, you know, a growth game at this point. I don't use too many products. They're still the same. I wear the same middle part or side part. That is still the same. Nothing else has really changed. I am, what's the saying? Creature of habit. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all. But basically, I don't switch it up too much. Okay. Same with my makeup. I've been doing this same makeup for years, honey. So nothing too different there. We're going to the Cheesecake Factory. I'm so excited. I've been to Cheesecake Factory before, but I've actually never been to the one in Oklahoma, so I'm excited about that. But yes, y'all, I hope you guys have been enjoying my content so far. I have mostly been doing like fashion content because that seems to be what you guys like the most of. But like I said, I started back doing vlogs too, and I just felt like I owed you guys this 2-year lock update video, especially since I documented my journey. So yes, y'all, this is the update so far. Nothing has really changed, you guys. I do all the same stuff. When I get done with my makeup, I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair on a daily basis, and then I'll show you guys my outfit. If y'all have any questions or anything that I left out of this video or that isn't answered in my lock journey playlist, leave them down below and I will definitely answer them for you guys, okay? So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so makeup is fully done. If you all are enjoying this video so far and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I would love to have you guys a part of the honey gang. We has fun over here, okay? And we look good doing it, okay? So I'm about to show you guys real quick the products that I use on my hair. So this is just a scalp bottle that I use. If y'all hear noise in the background, I got family here. We about to leave and go to the restaurant, and it's a Sunday. Chris is watching the game, so yeah. Anywho, This is water and oil, tea tree oil for my scalp that I use about once or twice a week. And then I have a spray bottle with water in it that I use to just moisten my hair first. And then I use the Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. I love this. It does really, really good. Now, I already know what's going on. I've seen the TikToks about the whole Eco Style Gel, but I got this big old tub and I'm gonna use it till it's gone, okay? I ain't gonna buy no more. And I don't do this often. I only do this when I want my hair to look more defined and not frizzy. So I am going to apply this today. So all I do, you guys, is just spray my hair, and I'm only gonna do a little bit because it's still wet from the shower. I do not wear shower caps in the shower because I feel like the moisture and the steam is just good for my hair. So to each his own, however you want to do it. And then I go over it with this. Spray, 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 spray. Okay, rub that in really, really good. I got some makeup on my finger. I do not want in my hair. Okay, do that really, really good. And then usually I will end it here, but since I want to kind of get rid of some of that frizz, I'm gonna take just a handful, maybe twice, of this to put on my hair. And so that's what I'm about to do with this, that amount. Okay, y'all, I gotta hurry up. They calling for me. I do this. So y'all can see the back. And I'm gonna tell you, I know a lot of people do not recommend putting gel in your hair. The only reason why I use this on my hair is because I used it on my hair when it was just curly before I had locks. I went back to using all the products that I used on my natural curly hair, and that was the best decision that I made, because technically this is my natural state. This is my natural curls. All it is they're locked. So these products really work best for me. Now sometimes I'll go in and blow dry this after I do this, but I'm not gonna do that today because it ain't that deep and I gotta hurry up and go. So yeah, and then we have just that more uniform and polished look. So I am gonna go get dressed, show you my outfit, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm wearing. This is a cardigan that I got from Ross. I've been itching to finally wear a cardigan with it being fall now. This is the lip color that I've been like go-to for fall. So yeah, regular black shirt, black leggings, these shoes. I think I got this from Shein too. But yeah, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my 2-year lock update. The original date was September 24th. It's like October 16th or something, so I'm completely behind. Anywho, I had to get this out for you guys. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more plus size tips, tricks, fashion, locks, anything, go ahead, click this next video right here. I gotta go, y'all. Time to eat.